tasked us that the car power plant, the 450, it should not come to Tema. Originally, the 450 was supposed to go to Takoradi. But because we're having energy challenges, he said, let's do a fast-track one. Bring the 225 to Tema and begin to evacuate power. So that is a stopgap measure. But then as for the 450, when it's ready in 2017, let it go to Takoradi. By the time it is anchored, the ENI gas would have been ready so that car power would have off-taken it. And this is what we are doing. We even had a gas master plan. We did the feasibility study until they took over. They suspended the program and said that they were investigating us. It took them 2 years. They delayed the project. When the 450 finally came, they took it back to Tema. So you are sleeping on the job, you are snoring on the job, you fail to pursue President Mohammed's programs, and today when you are supposed to pay 30